Welcome back, Middle 2. It's the first session that we are going to study, inshallah, in our continents. Okay, so lesson 1, which is called Attempts of Elements Classification. Attempts of Elements Classification. Okay, so first lesson or first question. By increasing the number of discovered elements, scientists classified them according to their properties in order to what? So first question, what you are do if you have many books or many notebooks? What happens, I say? If you have more than one book.
أكتر من كتاب.
No, what happens? Yes,
اللي هيحصل.
more than one book.
أيوه.
How can you carry him? How can you carry him?
هشيلهم في شنطة.
Yes, in bag. Okay, so by increasing number of elements,
أيوه.
in nature, so scientists classify this element, okay, in a table. Okay,
يعني
so by increasing the number of discovered element, scientists classify them according to their properties in order to what? Number 1, to facilitate their study. Number 2, to find the relationship between this element. Okay, try to read, Hussein. Try to read from by increasing
the number of discovered element, scientists classified them according to their properties in order to
facilitate their study. Number 2, to find
the relationship between elements.
So scientists classified element to, number 1, facilitate their study. Number 2, to find a relationship between this element. Okay, try to read it again.
By increasing the number of elements, scientists classified them according to their properties in order to facilitate their study.
Facilitate. Yes.
Find
their study, then
find the relationship between elements.
Okay, thanks. What are the most important attempts? Most important attempts are, number 1, Mendeleev's periodic table. Number 2, Moseley's periodic table. And number 3, modern periodic table. So when scientists tried to classify the element in the table, so there are more than one step. More than one step to classify this element in table. First step called Mendeleev's periodic table. Second step called Moseley's periodic table. And third step called modern periodic table. Okay, so
one
by one. Okay, so what are the most important attempts? Hussein, can you read? What are the most important attempts?
Mendeleev element according to atomic weight.
No. Try to read Mendeleev's periodic table, Moseley's periodic table, modern periodic table.
Mendeleev's periodic table, Moseley's periodic table, modern periodic table.
Again.
Mendeleev's periodic table, Moseley's periodic table, modern periodic table.
Okay, so there are the three trials to classify element in table. Okay, first trial, which is called Mendeleev's table. Okay, what about the Mendeleev's table? Mendeleev's table, Mendeleev arranged the element according to their atomic weight, and it's the main idea. It's the main idea. So the main idea by which Mendeleev classified the element, this element in table, according to its atomic weight. Okay, first
هو ايه atomic weight ده؟
atomic weight. So atomic weight, what's the difference between atomic weight and atomic number? Atomic weight means mass. Atomic weight means atomic mass. Okay, listen to me, Hussein. Okay, in this, okay, any element as x, any element as x. If you have x,
ايوه
you
تمام
have x element, so it has two numbers. Okay, it has
okay
two numbers. The first one called atomic number. Atomic number, okay, is the first one called the atomic number, and the atomic number, okay, under the element, okay, under the element, and the upper one, which is called atomic
wait
mass. No, atomic mass, yes, atomic mass or atomic weight.
تمام يعني الاتوميك نمبر ده اللي هو النمبر بتاعه لما بتيجي تعمل له الحاجات اللي هي K وال L والحاجات دي اول واحده بتكون 2 والثانيه 8 وكده.
No, it's called atomic number. It's called atomic number. Okay, as what's meant by atomic number? Okay, try to make a revision by this. What's meant by atomic number? Atomic number, okay, atomic numbers, and what's meant by atomic weight? Okay, atomic number, the number of positive, number of positive protons or number
of electrons.
Yes, number of negative electrons.
Okay.
So the meaning of what? The meaning of atomic number. The meaning of atomic number.
Okay.
So what's meant by atomic number?
The number of positive protons or number of negative electrons.
The number of positive protons or number of negative electrons. It's atomic number, and it will be under the element. Okay, under or below the element. Okay, while atomic mass or atomic weight, okay, it's the number of positive protons and neutral neutrons. Okay, it's a number of positive protons and neutral neutrons. Okay, or the sum. Okay, number of positive protons and the neutral. So what's meant by atomic mass?
The number of positive protons and neutral neutrons.
Okay, what's meant by atomic number?
The number of positive protons or number of negative electrons.
Or, okay, this is and, but this or, okay, atomic number, number of positive protons or number of negative electrons. while atomic
أول.
mass is the number of positive protons and the neutral neutrons. Okay.
Okay.
So how can we get number of neutrons only? Number of neutrons. How can we get it? Number?
Make minus from protons.
Number of neutrons equal to
Atomic mass minus.
equal to atomic mass. Excellent, Hussein. Atomic mass minus atomic number. Minus what?
Atomic number.
Atomic number. Okay. So how can we get number of neutrons equal what? Number of neutrons equal what? Equal atomic mass minus atomic number.
Atomic mass minus atomic number.
Minus, okay. As example, as if you have Na, sodium, okay.
Yep.
Na, its atomic number 11. Its atomic mass or
23.
atomic weight 23. Okay, so what's meant by atomic number equal what? And the mass number equal what? This atomic number, atomic mass, number of neutrons. So number one, atomic number equal what?
11.
Excellent.
Equal.
So it's atomic number equal what?
11.
11. Excellent. So atomic number equal 11. Okay. And atomic mass equal what?
23.
Excellent. Atomic mass equal 23.
23.
Okay. Number of neutrons equal what?
12.
Yes.
12. Atomic mass minus atomic number.
Equal 23 minus equal 23
11.
Minus 11, which equals what? Equals 12.
30.
23 minus 11, which equals what? Which equals 12.
12.
So atomic number equal 11. Atomic mass equal 23.
23.
While atomic number equal, while number of neutrons equal what?
12.
Equal 12. Okay. I will save this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's saved. Okay. Are you understand? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Now we are going to move to our sheet. So Mendeleev arranged element according to atomic weight. Okay. Mendeleev prepared 67 cards. Each element represented an element. So the total number of element, okay, that which Mendeleev found are 67 elements. So Mendeleev prepared 67 cards, and each element represented an element. He arranged this element of similar properties in vertical column, which were known later as groups. vertical column,
مش
okay, which later as groups. We are going to know it. Atomic weight from left to right in horizontal rows called period. Called period.
very
There is difference between colon and period. Okay, so he arranged element of similar properties in vertical columns, which were known later as groups. While atomic weight from left to right in horizontal rows was that called period after that. Okay. Okay. So this is the difference between periodic, between period and group. Listen to me. This is this. This is called what? This is called the group. Called what?
group.
This called group. Okay, this called group. That Mendeleev's classify element in vertical column called group. This is called
Group.
vertical column,
Group.
vertical column called what? Called group.
Group.
Okay.
Okay.
And classified element in horizontal rows. This horizontal row is called what? Called period.
Period.
Yes. So they are called
Period.
horizontal rows called later as period. Any problem till now?
No.
Okay, so this is the vertical column and horizontal rows. Okay, the shape of each of them. After that, okay, so try to read Mendeleev's table. Sin.
Mendeleev prepared 67 cards. Each element represent
From the
an
first.
element.
From Mendeleev, arrange it from the first.
Mendeleev arranged element according to atomic weight. Mendeleev prepared 67 cards. Each element represent an element. He arranged element of similar properties in vertical columns, which were known later as group.
As group.
Atomic weight from left to right is the
horizontal row.
Okay.
Called the periods. Called what?
Horizontal.
Called the period. Okay, so it's the main idea. The main idea by which Mendeleev arranged the element in the table called what? Mendeleev arranged the element according to their atomic weight. Atomic weight. And Mendeleev's repaired 67 cards. Each element represented an element. He arranged element of similar properties in vertical column, which were known later as groups. Atomic weight from left to right in horizontal rows, which later called as period. Okay, so what are the advantage? What are the advantage and disadvantage of Mendeleev's? First advantage. What are the advantage of Mendeleev's table? Number one, he left gaps in his table to predict a new element. He left gaps in his table predicting the discovery
New-
of new element. Okay.
Okay.
So he predicted that there are more than, or there are different scientists later that they are going to know many elements. So he left gaps, and it's the first advantage. He left gaps. Advantage.
He
He
left
left
in
gaps.
his table. Wait. He left gaps in his table to predict a new element.
Okay. Number two,
He
he corrected. Number two, he corrected the atomic weight of some elements which were estimated wrongly. Okay. There are atomic weight of some element which were estimated wrongly. Okay, in a wrong way. So he corrected this atomic weight of this element. Okay, so these are the advantage of Mendeleev's table. So what are the advantage of Mendeleev's table, Hussein? Can you repeat it again,
left
please?
in his table to predict a new element. He corrected the atomic weight of some element.
Again. Hussein, can you repeat it again? Hello, Hussein. Hello. Hussein. Hello, Hussein.
معلش يا مستر النت قطع بس.
Okay. Try to repeat it again. What are the advantage of Mendeleev's table?
He left the gaps in his table to predict periodic a new element. He corrected the atomic weight of some element.
To predict. Yes, a new element. Number two.
He corrected the atomic weight of the.
Yes. He corrected the atomic weight of some element. Okay. Can you understand me?
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the advantage. This is the advantage of Mendeleev's table. What are the disadvantage? Disadvantage of Mendeleev's table. Number one, he had to make disturbance in the ascending order of atomic weight. He had to make disturbance in the ascending order of atomic weight of some element. And he had to deal with the isotopes of one element as different element. And it's the mistake that he had to deal with the isotopes of one element as different elements. So what's meant by isotopes?
أيوة ده أنا كنت عايز أسأله.
Yeah, isotopes. They are elements that have different atomic weight, but they have the same atomic number. Has the same atomic number. What's meant by isotope? Listen to me. These isotopes. Okay.
They are elements.
Listen.
They elements have different
isotopes. Isotopes, they are elements that have different atomic weight, but they have the same atomic number. As what? Example? Example.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the example? Okay, this example. As hydrogen, example. Okay. Hydrogen.
Okay.
1, 1. Okay. And there is another hydrogen 1, 2. And another hydrogen 1, 3. So this is called the isotopes of hydrogen. Hydrogen isotopes. Called what? Called hydrogen. Hydrogen. Isotopes. Okay. Hydrogen isotopes. So what is the meaning of hydrogen isotopes? Element that have the same atomic number. Each 1, 1, 1. But they differ in their atomic weight. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So this is the meaning of what? Of isotopes. They are element. What's meant by isotopes, Hussein?
They are elements have atomic weight and same atomic number.
Again.
They are elements that have different atomic weight and same atomic number.
Okay. It's called what? It's called isotopes. Called what? Called
isotopes.
Isotopes. Called what? Isotopes.
Isotopes.
So what's meant by isotopes again?
They are elements that have different atomic weight and same atomic number.
Excellent. It's atomic. It's called isotopes. Called what? Isotopes. Okay. After the isotopes, let's complete. So the isotopes. So what are the disadvantage again? Number 1, he had to make disturbance. He had to make disturbance in ascending order of atomic weight of some element, because there are more than one element that have the same atomic weight. More than one element that have the same atomic weight. So he had to make disturbance in the ascending order of atomic weight of some element. Number 2, he had to deal with the isotopes of one element as different element. So what's meant by isotopes? They are element having different atomic weight and the same atomic number. Okay, so try to repeat again what are the advantage, the disadvantage of Mendeleev's table.
He had to make this disturbance in the disturbance. He had to make disturbance in the ascending order of atomic weight of some element. He had to deal with the isotopes of one element as different element. Okay, what's meant by isotopes? They are elements that have different atomic weight and the same atomic number.
Okay, I see. Any problem till now?
No.
Okay. Try to listen to this video about the atomic structure, to make a revision for the atomic structure.